Alright guys, we just finished up another Silverado build. On this one we did the McGaughys 7 to 9. We are setting at 9 inches. Did this one in the Prismatic Powders Illusion Light Blue. 26 by 12 TIS wheels. And 37 1350 Conforcer MTs. On this one, we used the Zone upper control arms. Again, the McGaughys have been out of stock. They've had a issue with getting the ball joints for their arms. I think they had to do some retooling and change some of the design aspects because of that. So on this one, we went with the Zone. This one does come anodized red cap, so we removed that and just went with the aluminum to kind of match with the blue a lot better. Of course, I had to press out all the ball joints and bushings and whatnot to have it powder coated. It turned out really nice. This blue looks really good with the stainless as well. We did have to do some trimming on this one, nothing too bad. See if I can show you here. Some of your inner plastics through here we trim. There's a mount underneath here we trim. Of course, your valence plastic here. On the back side, you can either trim your flare, which is what we did here, or they do make a delete that you can do. Usually you still have to trim the delete some, but it does look a little cleaner with the delete because you don't have this part hanging here. But it also doesn't protect any of the sides of the truck from the tires throwing anything. There's a bracket that's in here that's removed, and then your plastic back here is trimmed. Still tight clearance, but it does clear. We did some rock lights on this one. These are the Mike Tuning RGBWs. Obviously set it white right now. I love how the kit looks with the blue and stainless on it. Again, this is the Illusion Light Blue. This kit was previously a 7 to 10, and McGaughys made some changes. They ended up changing it from a 7 to 10 to just a 7 to 9. And it does come with adjustable shims in the back, so you can kind of set it where you want it as far as fine tuning the ride height, because you can adjust 7 to 9 in the front and in the rear as well. Alright guys, and that's gonna be about it for this one. And always stay tuned for more. Thanks.